go to the Google, type the Node.js version 12.20.2. So typing. So the first one link, select the first one link. Next go down. You select, my system is a Windows 64-bit, so I have select this one link, 64x64 MSI. Okay, click the link, the file, save the file. Okay, so the process is completed. Go to the folder. So double click the file. Run a button. Select the next button. Click. Select the checkbox accepted. Click next. Select your installation path, program files. Click next button. Again click next button. This is optional, I am not selected. Click next button. Click next button. Installation is a 2 minutes process. The process is going on. Click finish button. The installation is completed. Next, go to the DOS prompt, cmd, type the cmd. Check the installations. Node space -d. Installation is version v12.20.2. Next, check the npm. Type the npm space -v. Enter. Version is npm version is 6.14.11. The installation is good.